Hello and welcome to Get Creative in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful spicy pork vindaloo or pork vindaloo. Traditionally this dish is made with the pork belly, with the fatty bit of pork, but I have decided to use a lean cut of meat for this. Here's what you're going to need for this recipe. All the ingredients are in the description below. We're going to start with blending all our ingredients into a nice curry paste. So our peppercorns, mustard seeds, cumin seeds, our whole chilies. Now these are Kashmiri chilies. It looks like a lot, but they're not hot chilies. They add a lot of color, but they're more a smoky, warm heat. So they're not very hot. But you can adjust the chilies according to your taste. Our ginger, garlic, and our vinegar. And we're just going to blend that all up into a nice paste. I'm going to add a bit of water. So I've got a nice paste there. Now we're going to marinate our pork in this paste. So we're going to add some salt to our pork, and this is the paste that we made earlier. And we're going to mix that up nicely. That smells beautiful. Okay, that's mixed through nicely. So we're going to set that aside to marinate for at least 4 to 5 hours. Ideally, you would like it to marinate overnight, but if you haven't got the time, at least 4 to 5 hours. So we're going to put that aside. We're going to get started by heating our pot up. And once that's heated up nicely, we're going to add our oil. I'm using mustard oil. Mustard oil gives it a nice flavor. You know your mustard oil is heated up when you can smell it. It has a very distinct smell. We're going to add our meat in now. So turn your heat up on high. We want to seal our meat and cook our spices, so keep stirring that nicely. It's been about 10 minutes, and as you can see, the oil has come to the surface and our masala is cooked, so it's time now to add the water. But I've just forgotten that I haven't added my turmeric. So add your turmeric and a bit of sugar, and the sugar will cut the vinegar taste down a little bit. So just mix that through. And from now on, all we're going to do is put the lid on and try and cook that meat. That's it. It's a really simple dish. So you're going to keep checking back in to make sure, that the water hasn't dried up too much. Add a bit of water and then, cook it for about 40 minutes to 50 minutes, depending on how long your meat takes to cook. That's all you need to do from now on. So let's have a check if our meat is cooked. This is smelling beautiful. Yep, our meat is nice and tender. But that's dried up a little bit. The gravy's dried up a little bit, so I'm going to add a little bit more water. And the meat's cooked, just to add a little bit more gravy. Now the gravy usually thickens up once you turn the heat off and it cools down, so I'm going to add a little bit more. So that's the consistency I'm looking for. A nice thick gravy. That smells beautiful, and I can't wait to tuck into this pork vindaloo or pork vindaloo. Enjoy. There you have it, pork vindaloo. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and look forward to seeing you in the next video.